Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to make double side tape at home. So without wasting and waiting time, let's begin this video. So first here I am using transparent cellotape. So yeah, this is a big size. You can use normal size or small size, but I preferred normal size and big size. So I applied on fruit. If you applied on the paper or anything, it stuck cause cellotape is a very sticky thing, and if we apply on the paper it stuck, so that is why I applied on the floor. Okay, now joint like this because we need to make it both side sticky. So finally our double side tape is ready. So I'm just tapping it to joint it better and not opening again. So yeah, now let's test it. Here I'm using on my book. So now let's apply, and I just used a simple paper and write something which I love it. You're so beautiful, this is my favorite one. So I just applied. Okay, now let's see if this works or not. Wow, look at this, looking amazing.